Zimbabwe is not short of intelligence, it is short of courage. And that cowardice is what false prophets, fake soldiers, and political conmen feed on. We saw this script before. Zalabinda mashoko budato kana kirina mjati ataka ari kunosonjabisa panguva inoi nema scripts anosenda mabible verses maspeeches panguva inoi achiti we are now tired of it. Script iri takaridzidza tikaronera kuti we are just keeping the regime in power and not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Kana mchati anouya ine heated our message panguva ina achinyora pahendo yake exachiti I see this messianic manipulation from a distance. I smelled it with the Pastor Ivan. I smell it again with Muchineri P and Chamisa. This is not about justice. It is about protecting Emerson Mnangagwa while managing public anger. Then there is Nelson Chamisa. In his tweets, the same language as Muchineri P. You abandoned the people when Sadak intervened. You walked away in 2018. You refused courts in 2023. You chose comfort over confrontation. Now in 2026, from America, you suddenly speak of truth that will be revealed. Revolution does not work on delayed scripts and foreign coups. Zimbabwe does not need historians of stolen elections. Zimbabwe needs enemies of tyranny. This is not coincidence. This is coordination. America was silent when Evans Mawarire was smuggled out of Zimbabwe. America is silent now. Well, its soldier interferes in Zimbabwean politics. Our people, wounded and desperate, are again being headed toward a controlled opposition designed to neutralize rage while preserving power. Let me say it clearly. Our flag is not a prop. Our army uniform is not a costume. Our suffering is not content. Mnangagwa and the Vene cartel are now confused. They are calculated. They loot, they kill, they violate the constitution, and they plan dynasties. And anyone who protects them in pulpits, uniforms, hashtags, at the boardrooms is an enemy of the people. I choose to be a lone wolf rather than a domesticated lion. I refuse to clap for fake courage. I refuse to kneel before recycled saviors. Ndo mashoko anoachitagwa panapa naKerna Mjati achipa message kuna Nelson Chamisa. Mboni dzamafunguro echimoti kudii pamusoro pemashoko achitagwa panapa naKerna Mjati. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.